Hi everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate and co-founders at Being ACCA. I know that your results are very close now and you all will be very anxious, excited, nervous, all of these overwhelming feelings will be flowing right now, and just few pointers I would like to point out here before our results come, and even right now what you're feeling, how to overcome those and not procrastinate for your December attempt, because December attempt is still yet to come, right? So first let's discuss when your result is coming, the timelines, and how can you actually check your results, because there are few students who this is the first time that they're getting the results. So firstly, your result is coming on 14th of October and it will be reflected at 4:30 IST, Indian Standard Time, 4:30 AM in the morning. So that is the time and the date when your result is coming. Now how can you actually check your results? So there are three ways by which you can check your results. First is by now it is very important, it is imperative for you to put your mobile numbers over ACCA portal under contact details, so that your results can reflect upon on the SMS also. So the first way is that ACCA will send you SMS on your registered number with your marks and the score that you've gotten. So it will show your marks, the percentage, pass or fail marks. So that is the first way, and that's the best way that you can get your results, because that's the fastest way. So basically what happens is after 4:30 AM IST your results can come anytime, so be it 31, 32, 33. So the SMS always comes first. So you will be receiving your results the soonest if you have inserted your phone number on the ACCA portal. That's the best way. Second way is that if, for example, you have not updated your phone number over the ACCA portal, second best way is your email. So email will come regardless if you have gotten the SMS, you will be getting email. So email is a short thing which will come. Email comes, I think, 5 to 6 minutes late than 4:30 AM IST. So you can expect the email around 4:35 to 4:40, 4:45, whatever. So email is the second best way, again you will get from ACCA. And third best way is, sometimes what happens is you are not able to get the email because of some issue, at network issue or something, or henceforth whatever the reason can be. Third way is going to the ACCA official website, logging into your portal and then checking the results. Now this thing is you will be able to check this by this, I think 1 or 2 hours later. So at 4:30 you won't be able to get the results on the ACCA portal. It will reflect 1 to 2 hours later on your ACCA portal, and you won't be able to access your actual portal. It will just show as a strip band and what is the result and etc. Because a very heavy traffic goes onto the ACCA website that time, right? So a lot of people are using the website, so it just crashes down. So after 1 or 2 hours you will be able to see the results over your portal also. So these are three best ways. Your SMS is the best way, email, and then the ACCA portal. So this is how you can check your results, and all the very best for your results firstly. Then talking about your current status, now that you will be feeling very nervous, procrastinating. See, you have given your best, right? आपने अपना best दे दिया है already in September. Now if you overthink, if you just worry, get nervous, have that anxiety that oh my god what will happen, क्या होगा, इस डर में रहोगे तो you won't be able to do anything for December attempt, also for your next paper also, right? You will just be wasting time. And if you overthink this much, it won't be able to impact your results. अगर आपके 51 है तो आपका result 51 ही रहेगा. Yeah, if you by chance have failed in the paper, you will be failing in the paper, right? So you don't have to worry too much. I know that this is normal human nature that we get worried a lot about the results, but you have to think that कि मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. You do not have anything in your hands now, right? The only thing that you have in your hands now is your December attempt. If you're preparing for December attempts, keep on preparing, even though of course results are 1 or 2 days before you will be feeling overwhelmed, so you can do a little lesser work that day. But just try and focus more upon the productive things. or more upon just diverting your mind. Have some, watch some movie, go outside with your friends, family, just spend time, and it will just divert your mind from the results. So that is all. And whatever your results come, I hope that they are very, very good for September attempt. We will be happy to know your results. So please, when they come, you can definitely reach us out and you can tell us your results, and all the very best for your results for September attempt. And if you still have any queries, any doubts, you can definitely reach us out on our Instagram page, which is @beingSSA, or you can also leave a comment down below and we'll be happy to help you.